Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine Amos, the CEO and Project Manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make perfume with a lasting aroma. In the previous video on how to make perfume, we only used two major chemicals. In this particular video, we're going to be using three different chemicals instead of two. Now the third chemical is added in order to make the aroma of the perfume last for a long time. Before then, if you are new to this channel, I suggest you click the subscription button so that you get posted of all our videos and resources each time we upload them. Please take note of the following precautions when doing this preparation. Avoid direct contact of chemicals with the skin or eyes. Keep all chemicals out of reach of children and do not taste any chemical. Perfume with a long-lasting fragrance can be made from the following materials. These are methanol or ethanol, perfume concentrate, also known as essential oils, and propylene glycol. Now let's establish the quantity of materials needed to produce about 500 ml of long-lasting perfume. Methanol 350 ml, perfume concentrate or essential oils 175 ml, and propylene glycol 25 ml. Now these are the materials. This is methanol. Now these are essential oils, or sometimes called perfume concentrate. Here we are using two types of them. We have the vanilla and blue water. If you want to come up with a very unique aroma of a perfume, you can blend or combine two or three perfume together. And this is propylene glycol. Now pour your methanol into a container and add the propylene glycol to the methanol. Stir the solution properly. Methanol enables the perfume properties to mix properly. Usually when you spray perfume on the body, the alcohol evaporates, leaving behind the sweet smell. Now the propylene glycol is a carrier. It makes the aroma of the perfume to last. Now add the essential oil or perfume concentrate. Here we are using two of them, vanilla and blue water. Stir the solution properly. Now the ratio of methanol to perfume concentrate is 2:1. That is, 2 parts of methanol will always require 1 part of perfume. This is ideal for good quality and long-lasting aroma. And now, ladies and gentlemen, your spray perfume is ready for use. You can store it in a spray bottle. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. You can also follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.